Oh man, this is nice. Just sitting here in the garden chairs. We're talking about going down to the beach here.
Maybe this is kind of nice too.
Yeah. Yeah, the doggies are over there. We have the highway right out here, and on across the street there we have the beach, Pacific Ocean.
Be nice, bird. You go. Remember how Maxie used to like take your hands off?
This is pretty nice, I have to say that. So we're in Pacific City, in Oregon. We're just going on a weekend trip with our motorhome. Yeah, we got a really nice spot here. It's very level.
She likes your new toy.
Yeah, Maxina, she's happy.
Is that a good new toy? Is that a good shark? I think it's a shark.
She loves that toy. Look at that. Is it good,
Is
Maxina?
it a good new toy?
Is it so good?
We got rid of our old carpet.
Oh, she's sweet.
Now we need a new carpet. And we have a cover for the bottom for the kennel, but we forgot it.
Hey.
This, I'm going to put in here. Are you good with that?
Yeah, can go with the tools.
Together. Your cars are broken. We need the safety car.
Yeah.
We need the safety car to come out.
It's a McLaren.
Bye-bye. No, that's the
No.
McLaren.
Yeah, the green one is Aston Martin. This one is a McLaren.
You need to fix your Legos.
Yeah, I need to. Here we are walking down to the beach. Just want to go down and see how it is.
We just only brought the littles because the two older ones, they would love to go. I felt so bad. They were giving me the eyes.
Yeah.
But they would have a hard time getting there and back.
They can. Okay, beach trail. So that's it. So that's a nice little hike before going home and make dinner. Ooh, Scooby, he's ready. He's ready to go.
Ready to go. Come on, Scoop.
Let's just sniff everything. We have to cross Highway 1 here to get there. You also want to do the video.
Oh, you got tangled. You're tangled up with Scooby.
Oh, oh. In the ocean. Look at that.
Scooby. This is late, man. He's like, beep, beep. Get out of my way. Get out of my way.
It's been cold and Scooby. I didn't know you could drive down here. Whoop. Man, you guys can hang this. Close as we got to the sand.
Only just because we got the two little.
Yeah,
I don't
else
think.
we would have climbed it. But I don't think they can do it.
No, we had a backpack for the dogs.
We met people from Arizona. They came with a winter jacket. You guys must be locals. They saw us in shorts.
Yeah.
Legs are getting a little tired now. Climbing up the hill here from the beach.
She's doing so good though.
Yeah?
Scooby kangaroo legs back here just keeps on going.
Oh yeah.
I think Zoe's getting a little tired. Can you do it, Zoe?
Can you do it, Zoe? Come.
Well, here's the big one. I don't know if she can do that one.
Oh man.
It's big in her mind.
That's a big.
Let's see. Let's watch Zoe. Then you gotta watch Scooby Doo.
Let's see if she can do this one here.
You do it, Zoe.
Might need to lift her.
You do it.
Can you do it, Zoe? Yeah, she does. Like nothing.
Watch me. Scooby's like,
There
watch
comes
me.
Scooby.
Come on, Scooby.
Scooby, do it.
Yay!
Oh, yeah.
He does it with no problem.
Yeah. Let me just give you a little view of our new motorhome, the one we bought on the way back from South Dakota here in March. So it's a Forrest River Forester, and it's 32 feet long, and as you can see here, it has a whole side that slides out here. The whole one side here is a big slide, full length, and it's on a Ford F450 chassis. Here we have all the doggies sitting outside, enjoying the sun. So let's go inside and have a look. So here you can see, start up front, the cabin where we are driving it. It's very nice, has all features you can dream of. Nice big bunk bed up here, At least 2 people can be sleeping. We have a nice TV here up front, and a dinette here where 4 people can sit. A lot of cabinet space overhead. Kitchen area. A big nice sink there, and nice spigot. In the kitchen we have gas burner with 3 burners, and then in the bottom there's a combined microwave and convection oven and air fryer all in one. Lots of cabinet space here as well, and then of course we can fold this here up to give more cabinet space, counter space. Across from the kitchen here we have the fridge. It's a nice big fridge that opens up here with 2 doors. And then a good sized freezer here in the bottom as well, where we can have all kinds of stuff. It's all electric. There's a nice pantry here where we can have food in. Across from the dinette we have a nice couch there, and again lots of cabinet space up above here. When we go further down here we have the bathroom area. So first, when we open in here we have our toilet with a nice porcelain toilet there. And then of course the shower is here. Nice big shower cabin. And across from the shower here we have a little sink as well. And medicine cabinets and whatever we need here. And lots of space for storage underneath. And then down at the end here we have the bedroom, and there is a queen size bed in this bedroom here, and you can walk all the way around it, so it's easy to make the bed. And then the best of all, look at this whole wall here, is all closet space. So here we can have our clothes hanging. There's light in all the cabinets, so lots of storage space for all your clothes when you are camping. Each area here has its own AC. It's actually a heat pump, so it both cools and heats. So there's one here for the bedroom area, and it's controlled here from a panel. You just set the temperature and it would either heat or cool whatever is needed. And the same out here in the main area. It has its own heat pump up here, and then a control panel sitting here where you set the temperature and it takes care of everything. There's so many storage space everywhere here along the sides, and that's in both sides. So we have not been able to fill it up at all. We took everything from the old motorhome and filled over here, and it's like it just disappeared. It took up no space in this one here. So we don't have really much in the storage space here yet. And a nice one here where we have big totes for tools and whatever, and pass-through storage for chairs and stuff to the other side. This motorhome drives like a dream, because you can see here it has the Hellwig sway control system, and then the ride airbag system as well. So it's a very smooth and very comfortable, not all this wobbling like you have in some A-class motorhomes.